For this tutorial video, I'll be focusing on context, and context can be found on the home screen in relation to a general chat or a new chat, as well as specific skills. I'm able to add context. You may be wondering what context is, and a context is any information that I would like StratPy to know to be taken into consideration with the responses for the chat. As you can see here, I'm in a new chat, and these are the contexts that have already been added by the user. If I'd like to select a specific context, I then simply select the button, and it will then immediately be added as my context to take into consideration with the responses on the chat. Additionally, I'm able to select the three buttons. I'm able to edit that existing context, share that context with other team members in the team, and they're then able to use that context in the responses for the chat as well. Alternatively, I'm able to just simply remove that context and add a new context that I want the chat to take into consideration. You can see here we have the add context button. Once I select the add context button, I'm able to see the existing context. If I want to select that context, I simply select the context